done is marvellous. Didn't want to say anything in front of the chaps, but we'll sponsor your entire expedition. And so he's...
Right, good morning everyone. It's 4 o'clock.
I'm not really very incognito.
No. So it's blowing about 30 miles an hour southwesterly. Top of the tide. Smallest tide of the year. So let's see how bouncy it will get. Well, I think it's going to be a bumpy ride again. Just a little bit mental. Just a little bit. Wow. Yeah, a bit more than just a little bit mental, but let's do it. Well, I think this is 20 grams and it's not really holding at all, so we'll see. Wow, there's a big wave coming. Like a cauldron. Well, it's not going to happen today. I think I overestimated. They're just insane. Right, so I haven't caught anything. Suddenly it's gonna really hot, really sunny, low water. It's the smallest of tides. So yeah, there is something about it. No point fishing small tides, even less than fish. Stunning day though.